Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by using the phone's built-in legal options. Power it off or flip airplane mode immediately. These disable cellular radios without breaking laws. They are reversible and safe. If you need a more persistent disconnect and you can power down, remove the SIM or battery where possible, then verify no connection indicators remain. Once done, check for any wearable or paired devices and disable their radios too. Make sure to keep the device powered off to maintain signal loss. Next, address secondary radios and paired gear. Turn off Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, and NFC, and unpair any smartwatches or earbuds so they cannot relay signals. If your device supports eSIMs, remove or disable the profile in settings to prevent automatic activation. Wipe or forget known networks and Bluetooth pairings to reduce reconnection risk. Once complete, double-check status icons and settings menus to confirm every transmitter is disabled before finally store the powered-off device in a secure place or in a certified RF shielding pouch designed for privacy. This adds redundancy without illegal actions. To confirm isolation, bring a different, functioning phone nearby and verify no cross-device signaling or notifications occur. If you still see activity, troubleshoot by checking carrier account settings, disabling remote management features, and updating or rolling back firmware that may auto-reactivate radios. One key tip: if things go wrong, contact your carrier.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.